Jamaican wins 236 million Super Lotto jackpot. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican has claimed the 236.5 million Super Lotto jackpot, Supreme Ventures Limited has announced. The winner, dressed in a Ninja Turtle costume, accepted the life-changing prize during a special presentation ceremony. Reflecting on his win, the elated jackpot holder shared that he has been faithfully purchasing the Super Lotto ticket for years, always believing that his lucky day would come. Since 2019, I haven't missed a draw. I buy my tickets weekly and I always make sure that one of them is a quick ticket. I knew that one day I would win, and I always told my children that when I win, I will give them the money to go to school. The winner is now able to fulfill on that promise. This marks the third Super Lotto win of the year and the second from Jamaica, further solidifying the Caribbean nation's impressive winning streak. In 2023, Jamaican saw 3 Super Lotto jackpot hits, with those winners collectively claiming over $1 billion Jamaican dollars. Stephen Miller, Senior Vice President of Product Management and Business Development at Supreme Ventures Limited, expressed excitement. "We are overjoyed to present this massive jackpot to our newest Super Lotto winner. At Supreme Ventures, we are a business of making dreams come true and positively impacting communities. This win not only changes his life but also his children and family's life. We are very heartened when our winners use their newfound wealth to transform not only their life but the lives of their loved ones." Super Lotto is a multi-jurisdictional game currently played in 6 Caribbean countries including Jamaica, Barbados, St. Kitts and Nevis, Anguilla, Antigua and St. Martin. Draws take place every Tuesday and Friday at 8:30 p.m. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.